Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable developer mode or developer option on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, we need to open up our setting on our Samsung Galaxy phone. I'm going to click on my settings app to open it, and here in the setting we need to scroll down until we find about phone. Okay, but wait guys, I have activated my developer options. I'm going to turn it off first. Okay, we can go to the about phone. After you activated the developer option will appear on your setting. Okay, let's get into it. We can go to the about phone, and here we can select the software information. And then you need to tap on the build number many times until the developer mode or developer option activated. Okay, like this. Okay, and now the developer mode has been turned on, and the developer mode will appear on your setting. Okay, this is the developer options, and you will be able to open it. And here in the developer option, you will have a lot of features. It's like a hidden features. For example, if you want to show tabs or show finger tabs, you just need to click on this option like this. And as you can see that the finger tabs has been shown. And here you will have a lot of options guys. You just need to select or activate the option according to your needs. Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm just going to keep scrolling down to show you the options in the developer mode or developer options. Okay, if you want to find some option, you just need to click on this search menu, and you can type in the option or the feature you want to activate. So to make it easier, you can click on this search menu and then search for the specific menu you want to find, because there are a lot of options here and sometimes it's kind of difficult to find a specific option. Okay guys, and that's all the way to activate developer mode or developer option on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.